it's Beauty Junkie. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about my Sephora haul. I'm going to show you what I picked up. I had about 2 weeks off from work and I went to several Sephoras in my own town, and while I was on vacation, you know, a lot of the stores near where I live the stock is pretty much similar, but when I went to a bigger city, they had different brands, more, you know, exclusive brands. So it was fun to check out those stores as well. And Kohl's, lots of Kohl's now has Sephora, which is awesome. Although I found that the ones near me, like all the shelves are pretty much empty, like everything's out of stock. People just bought everything up. So I still find it to be honestly the best to order online because they have the newest stuff right away. They have more in stock. I don't know, the store is great for testing stuff, but to get the latest newest thing, they are always behind in getting that stuff. So I want to show you what I picked up. I did do a couple of separate videos on some of the makeup that I got because I did, you know, you did a wear test, trying it on and all that. But I did get a couple of other things that I thought would be fun to talk about in this video. So let's get into it. I got some skincare, body care, and one lipstick for lipstick day. I know it's already passed, but I did pick up a Nude to Me lipstick. So let's get into the lipstick first. Why not? So I'm sure you guys are aware of this guy. This is the YSL Rouge Volupte Shine Oil and Stick from YSL. This is Ready to Care and Shine lip color. This is the shade 44 Nude, I believe. Yes, although it's very much kind of a light pinky shade. It's a little bit lighter than I expected on my lips. But what I love about this, not the packaging, is freaking gorgeous. Probably the bougiest packaging that I own. But this thing was like $39. I don't think I realized when I picked it up how much this was gonna be. But this is such a nice, comforting lip product, and it smells so good. This is probably the best smelling lipstick I've ever owned. And I didn't realize that until I took it home. It smells like juicy mangoes. It's so nice for summer. It's like eating dessert. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Well, I'll do a swatch, but I will apply it as well. It's very light. It's very shiny. It doesn't last too long, but it feels really, really good on the lips. So it just glides on so easy, almost too easy that I kind of overline my lips by accident. Honestly, it's a little bit too light for my liking, but it's kind of a pretty light baby pink. I don't mind it. Honestly, I would get more because of the scent. It's that good. So I'm really glad I picked it up. Just a new discovery for me. Also picked up some body care. So I got this set from Necessaire. I've tried 3 of these things. Well, actually I've tried 2 of these things before. The other 2 I haven't, but I mostly got this for travel so I could easily throw this in my bag and have a lotion. I've been to so many hotels that have like a very small amount of lotion, or they like have like a dispenser and it's out of lotion. So I just want to have like a really good quality one that doesn't smell too crazy. So this scent is super handy. I know some people think this brand is so overrated. It's so expensive for what it is, and I totally get that. But if you are like me and you're really picky about how things feel and smell and the texture, and the packaging, this is like a go-to body care brand for me. And I'm excited to pick up the neck serum, which is only available online in Sephora, and I want to get 20% off. But I'm excited to kind of help with my tech neck, and I'm glad they came out with a neck serum, to be honest. So the body exfoliator actually has like, it looks like sand or black charcoal in here. I don't actually like the eucalyptus scent, but that's the only scent that this product comes in. This set comes in. So both the body wash and the exfoliator is eucalyptus. It's not bad. It's like very light and earthy. It's just not like something I would prefer. I prefer the sandalwood scent a lot more, or the fragrance free. But this is the exfoliator. It's actually not bad for, you know, an exfoliator with physical little gritty bits. I actually enjoyed it. I don't normally enjoy these kinds of products, but it wasn't bad. The body wash I've tried before, the gel. It's a very basic gel, but I just love the way it comes out. I don't love the scent of this, but it does clean my skin very well without stripping it. It's not necessarily hydrating, but it cleans my skin without making it feel dried out, which I like. The body serum, one of probably my favorite product from the brand so far. It's just a lightweight gel that you can just add and layer to your legs, your arms, wherever, if you need extra hydration, and it absorbs easily. There's no smell. It's super nice. The lotion, the body lotion, love the texture of this. It's on like the medium to thicker side. This one is fragrance free, which I don't mind at all. It feels really good. It spreads really well, and it just really moisturizes nicely. I actually really like this lotion. I'm tempted to pick up the bigger one. It's just a good basic to have, and if you're really picky about lotions and textures, I suggest trying the Necessaire one. So that's it from the set. I think it's gonna be, even if these are a little bit big for travel, but if I can decant them into smaller sizes, I will take them with me. Couple of hair products. So I haven't really tried these out too much yet, but this is the Wow Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. I know a lot of people use this, like it. I got the little mini size 50 mils, 1.7 fluid ounces, and I didn't realize that you have to heat activate this to get it to work. So basically, when I was on vacation, things were a lot more humid than I'm used to. There's a lot of moisture, mist in the air, and my straight hair was just expanding. So I thought, oh, I could just spray this on and it will help prevent humidity. But my hair was already straight and didn't want to wash it and then blow dry it to activate it. So I haven't tried this yet, but it does require blow dryer heat to work. So you have to wash your hair or just get it wet, spray this in, and then use the blow dryer, and it should prevent frizziness from humidity. I don't know if you guys have tried this. Let me know what you think of it. What does it do to your hair? Does it make your hair feel weird, or does it really seem to work with no issues? Let me know in the comments below. But I got a little mini one of that. I also picked up this product from JVN. This is the Jonathan Van Ness hair care line. I haven't tried anything from his line yet. This is the Complete Air Dry Cream, a little tiny travel size I picked up at Sephora. And this guy is vegan, color safe, silicone free, sulfate free. And so this is something I can try right now with you guys. It says you can use this with a diffuser, or you can just put in your hair, let it air dry, and it's supposed to add buildable, touchable hold that lets your natural texture shine. So I guess there's a little bit of hold in here. This is 30 mils, 1.4 ounces. I definitely need to bring lots of hair products with me when I travel, just because I have hair that is not easy to manage just without any products. I need product in my hair, or I need to straighten it, whatnot. This has a nice light scent. It's got like a sweetness to it. I didn't realize this had like hold in it, but it does make sense if you're gonna air dry to have a little bit of hold to prevent some frizziness, especially if you have textured hair. I think I probably will need to use a lot of product to get this to really work for me, but this will be great when I just do natural hair look when I'm on vacation. I always like to, have lots of creams and oils in my hair when I'm just going natural and wavy and curly. So this will be nice to have. I'm down with the travel size hair products. And sometimes when you decant things in smaller packaging, you end up not really using it, and then it's stuck in this little bottle forever. or you know, you put in a little container and it's really hard to get out because it's meant to be like squeezed out. So I don't know, I was just having a lot of issues with what I was bringing with me and traveling. It's just not really, I didn't have enough cleanser, so I was like decanting cleanser and then it wasn't working, so I was just getting really annoyed when I was traveling. Okay, couple of skincare things. So I got a travel size cleanser because I was pretty much out of like my second cleanse or morning cleanse, so I ended up picking up this classic fresh soy face cleanser. I would have picked up like smaller ones of the First Aid Beauty cleanser, but I couldn't find any tiny ones in Sephora, so I ended up getting these larger things. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, so this is just a basic moisturizer I can take with me traveling. The problem with these sizes, they're still pretty large. Unless you're going on a 2 to 3 week trip, you don't really need this much, so I may still have to decant these, but at least I'll have something like set aside that is reserved for travel. I definitely don't like decanting, and if I can just throw this in my bag, it's way easier. If you guys haven't tried these products, they're really good classic skincare products that probably most people will agree with. You know, this does do makeup removal, but I will use this more as a second cleanser, and this is just a basic skin protectant moisturizer. It has colloidal oatmeal that's good for sensitive skin, so I enjoy this guy. All right, so as I said, I picked up some other makeup that I filmed in separate videos. You guys will check out the Westman Atelier video that I made. I got 2 new products. I got 2 new to me products from the brand. I also picked up this Danessa Myricks blurring powder, did a video on that. So let me know if there's anything from Sephora that you want me to check out. Please put a comment below. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.